Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy M04. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to it at the bottom of M04. Also on Samsung, scroll all the way down and click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally click on all of those categories at the top and in them select those type of dots to pick all of your files from this category. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Then tap on Send next to Selected in order to continue. In this pop-up, click on Got it and select the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon located next to Input key. So sorry, misclick. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, you need to tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers and connect by tapping on Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!